Hi guys, I'm going to talk to you about how to unroll and also help settle your playmat. So the first point is with your straps, you take them off, but remember to keep them because you never know, you might want to keep it in storage and you need to use them again. First thing to do is to unroll and leave it with the curls facing down. So that will help as it settles to push that down against the roll. The second thing to do would be to scrunch your mat. Okay, so this is just rolling against the curl that comes at each end. And you can do this as hard as you like and you're going against the curl. You can do this on the other side as well. So this other side here was the tighter side as it was rolled in the box. So you're just trying to train it back into place. So after you've done this, the next step would be to re-roll it the other direction. Okay, so these are all tips just to try and get the ends to settle. So we re-roll the opposite direction as it was done in the mat, in the box. And leave that overnight. I'll give you time, you come back in the morning and it'll be even more flatter from there. Roll that back out now. If that still hasn't helped, you can put books on it. So we've got a couple of big books here that you can bend over, put them on, leave that for an extended period. That will also help the ends to flatten out. So as you can see now, it's looking relatively flat. But we flip it over the other way, you can still see there's a little edge. Okay, so we recommend in those first couple of weeks just to make sure that you flip it to the other side. Okay, so that you don't have any problems, and naturally it will flatten out. So these are some of the tips you can use. Please be patient, it will flatten out eventually, and these are some of the great tips. If you get these done, then it will